Alright everyone, we're continuing our video tutorials for the Steelcase Amia chair. Be sure to check our extensive library of guides and reviews, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to easily remove the seat from the Amia. Sometimes the seat becomes damaged and needs replacement, or perhaps you want to clean it, or maybe it's the initial step in undertaking more technical tasks that you'll learn about in our other tutorials. So today, let's learn how to remove and install the seat of the Steelcase Amia. To begin, it's crucial to have a long screwdriver, at least 14 inches in length. The type doesn't matter, flathead or Phillips, what's important is the length, so you can reach the spot right beneath the seat to disengage the seat lock. Also ensure that the seat is elevated off the ground in a way that allows you access to the lock and provides enough room for the seat to move once it gets unlocked. Now, insert the screwdriver between the seat and the bottom of the mechanism. With the chair facing down, the lock will be on the left side. Look for a button that you can press down. This button locks the seat to prevent it from sliding out completely. Once you press down on this button, you can push the seat out, and it will slide out. As shown here, this is the button you're targeting. It locks onto this rail to prevent the seat from sliding out. To reinstall the seat, align the railings on the mechanism with the guides on the seat. Once they are perfectly aligned, push the seat depth lever all the way up and push the seat in until it reaches the back end of the track. If done correctly, you will notice that the seat is now securely locked in place. Test the seat by using the seat depth lever, moving the seat in and out to ensure it won't dislodge from the chair. If it stops at a certain point, then you're all set. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for tons of exclusive tutorials and reviews.